Chris, Steve and Chris here, 716 Car Guys, going on a little adventure. Got my friend Peter behind the camera. Got my boy Keith riding back seat with me. Like I said, going on a little adventure. I think every car guy can relate to this. It's fun driving cross country to pick up a toy for one of your boys. So we're gonna just document this, have a little fun, goof around, and we'll see what Peter treated himself to. He's gonna be one of the boys going on Saturday nights. So this will be pretty cool. Stay tuned.
Go.
Alright, I hope the wife doesn't mind, but I got us some presents.
We're gonna go out for some quick rolls.
She's gonna kick your ass. We need to get Chris when he goes to meets. Water trip.
I'm always thirsty. We're almost there.
Cincinnati.
But not really, but almost.
We got some Crasherama stuff going on here. Oh!
Rubbernecking.
Rubberneckers.
Rubbernecking.
Get that Jeep in there and do. What's up, guys? Just got into Ohio. Quick rest stop, grabbing some gas, and we stumbled across probably the largest gathering of Geo Metros we have ever seen. There are 7 Geo Metros here, and we saw a convertible. He must have bailed early. He's driving down the thruway.
Dude, I feel like I see maybe, if I'm lucky, one of these things a year.
Let alone 6 of them in one spot. And they're all
Look at this one.
in various conditions. None of them really good, but they're solid.
No, there's no perfect Geo Metros here.
Slacking.
Damn, man. The 90s are back. Look at these things.
That one's fancy. It's got a sunroof. This one's the dime piece out of the group. These two.
Yeah, this is the show car, the breadwinner. And then we got your modern style. Oh yeah.
GeoMetroForum.com for any of you Geo Metro fans out there.
Yes, definitely. You need to get your Geo Metro parts. Hit them up. These are the hot hatches taking over. We also have some other hot hatches. We got a Mirage. Oh man. Oh, we got a doggy. I think it's probably kind of hot to have a doggy in the car, but there's a doggy in the car.
I've never seen Geo Metro in my life. It's like a pack. Alright guys, just made it to our Airbnb. Nice little place, looks like from the outside. Gotta get our stuff inside, get comfortable, and then go take a look at this possible future 716 Car Guys toy. Ooh, mirrored glass. Place. Ooh la la. Yeah, not a bad place to hang our hat for tonight, the 716 Car Guys in Kentucky. Oh man, view's nice. What better than coming to Kentucky to buy a toy? What kind of car would you buy if you came to Kentucky, though? That's the question. I feel like it's obvious. I'm filming the view. What do you want?
The shitter's full.
I wonder if we can drink that. That's a nightlight, Keith.
Ooh.
What's in there?
Oh, God, it smells like rubbing alcohol. Try it.
That doesn't smell like anything you could drink.
Try
Looks
it anyways.
fancy. Oh, there he is, the man himself,
How do they put rubbing alcohol?
who might be purchasing the Corvette. Peter.
Do that again.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to sleep in the bedroom and who has to sleep on the couch tonight. Ready, boys?
Good clean fight.
Good, clean fight.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, fuck. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, fucking Christ. All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah! Damn. Alright.
Do you want to... I mean, we did both say best out of 3, but I mean, what do you want to do?
I think you got it. I think that's fair.
Okay.
What a hell of a fight, folks. Who's seen it here first?
Jesus, it's coming down. All right, boys, we're on our way to look at this new toy for Peter. Peter, how you feeling right now?
Well, last night I wasn't doing so hot. I was up for 30 straight hours, essentially. So we got there. I got a little boost of energy after our road trip because I saw the car for the first time. I was feeling pretty good, but after that I was dead. I didn't even want to think about the car. So we did a little research this morning on the car, who did the work on it, did the tune on it, stuff like that, and feeling a little better. I'm gonna try to talk to the owner of the vehicle, see what he says about the things that I found, and we'll go from there, see how good of a deal I can get on this thing.
All right, are we going to be adding a new toy to our 716 family? Stay tuned. All right, day 2, they looked at it. It was downpouring. They couldn't really drive it too much. But there she is, folks.
And also, if we don't buy it, it will have successfully wasted not one of my 2 days off, but 2 of my 2 days off.
Ooh.
And doggy.
And there's a doggy.
He's 100% planning on it. He didn't hit that front one yesterday. Yep, I called it.
Haha, doggy peed on the truck.
Ford.
He owns that Ford
He hit
now.
2, I think both back wheels yesterday.
Possible
The front one too.
new Peter toy to come out and play with us.
Don't be on me either. I know it's not me.
Your is not too deep?
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, puppies? I'm trying to be a YouTuber. All right, cold start up. I'm ready. It's crazy being from up north, Buffalo, New York area. Dude, these are always so roached out. I mean, rotted out bad. So you come down to Kentucky, a 9-hour ride, man. It's crazy. You're seeing like mid-90s cars that are just a little banged up, but they're solid as a rock. You know, I'm gonna be 30 years old in a few days, and that still blows my mind. Seeing old cars that normally rot out bad being solid as a rock. All right, they're going for a little test drive just to make sure she's good. Check a few things out because the roads were soaked yesterday, as you saw. So we'll see. We'll get the final verdict.
Oh, is that one of you guys or the dog?
It could be the
Yeah. Likely.
excuse stimulating.
Yeah.
Alright, 23 is my final offer on this.
I really can't do it.
No?
Can't.
Alright. That's it then.
Yeah, I'll probably do that. Yeah, that'll work, man.
Alright, let's do that.
Alright, are y'all
All right, boys, it's official. She's coming back to Buffalo, New York. We made it real far. And then it was a good idea that we were going to check the fluids, top off power steering, check the catch can. So, not quite on the road yet.
All right, been driving for the past, I don't know, how many hours we've been since we've been on the road again?
4 6.5 hours. The math might not be much strong. 6, sorry.
We got
6
3.5
hours.
hours left and it was a 9-hour ride.
I don't even know anymore.
Yeah, it's a little past midnight. We're still in Ohio. It's a very long state to drive through.
Ohio's so big.
Peter, Peter has been up probably close to what? Over 30 hours now, probably. Some crazy shit like that.
This fucking gas pump isn't taking my card.
The gas pump's not taking the card.
This looks good with the top off. First time seeing it.
It does look good with the top off, and it actually feels awesome. So when you're tired, the wind and the wind noise keeps you going. Yeah. Yeah.
If you're ever feeling bad, just stick your head out the window like one of those dogs.
Yes. So checking in, car's doing great. A little jealous because, well, the cam sounds lumpier than mine does. I'll be honest, this isn't the car I wanted to sit in for 9 hours.
Yeah, let's interview you. How are you hating your life right now? On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you just want to kill yourself?
Well, that's a loaded question because it's usually an 11 out of 10 at most times.
Woo! Goals.
So no more than normal. But,
I bet.
I mean, it's not the worst car to take a road trip in. What do you got, Keith?
We're gonna have to put this at a different pump. This one's not taking either of my cards.
Oh,
It
dude.
This looks like this thing Steve bought.
Give it to Steve.
Steve, it's just like that dog thing you bought. Except, I think it's a fridge magnet. I found it on the floor. It's yours. That's your souvenir from Ohio. It's
Taking this
fully
home.
covered in COVID right now.
I'm gonna name him.
You should lick it.
I'm gonna name him Pilot.
It's got COVID, dude.
Definitely lick it.
All right, we got to move pumps now.
See if it's
Right?
stick it to
Moving?
this truck. There's nothing on that. Yeah, it needs to go to a different pump. Wait, this one won't take either of my cards.
Trash.
Oh, Peter only trusts Chris to drive the Corvette. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat a fucking Cinnabon in his truck.
No, he works at a GM dealership.
Well, I got about 6 hours into driving, and I figured time to hand the reins over to Chief Keith. I don't think you can see him because it's so dark. I got some Wendy's in me, and I just figured that'll do it. So, getting tired, but we got 3 hours and 21 minutes left, and then we'll be home, sweet home. All right, boys, Pennsylvania, New York state line. We made it. So far, so good. Welcome, New York. Here's some toll booths.
Fuck you, give us money, assholes.
Oh, thank you for driving on our throughways. You're immediately gonna have to pay for it.
Yeah.